Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to Maths online class. Now today we'll see the proof that sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin into x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. In previous class I told you this is the formula, right? I gave 8 formulas, right? Proof is important and formula is also important. So proof is important for 2 marks. Okay. Now how to prove this formula? So what are the formulas we discussed in previous class? One formula is sin x plus sin y is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. The next formula sin x minus sin y. What is the formula? It is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2, and similarly cos x plus cos y formula cos x minus cos y. Now we will discuss the proof of those 4 formulas. In that first proof this one, that is sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. So now to prove this one, we will use the formula sin x plus y and sin x minus y. So now answer, proof is important for 2 marks. Important for 2 marks. Now answer, so using the formulas, which formula? It is sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. So sin x plus y, what is the formula? It is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So now next one more formula uses sin x minus y. Sin x minus y is what? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y minus cos x sin y. So take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now see here, I need sin x plus. I need sin x plus sin y. So if you need plus, then add these 2 equations. Add these 2 equations. So to prove this one, here it is sin x plus sin y. So because of this, add these 2 equations. Suppose if you want to prove sin x minus sin y, then what to do these 2 equations? Subtract. Okay. So now equation number 1 plus equation number 2. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So I'll write equation number 1. See, I'll write here. Again I'll write sin of x plus y using this one. Yes. Sin x plus y is, again I'm writing this, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right. So now next equation is sin x minus y. Sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. What to do this? Addition. So add these 2 equations. See here, sin x plus y, sin x minus y. Are these equal? No, right? Suppose it is a plus b. A plus b. What is your answer? A is different, b is different. So answer is a plus b, right? Answer is a plus b. So now here, sin x plus y, sin x minus y. The answer is what? Sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Is this correct? A plus b is a plus b. So sin x plus y, this is x minus y, means these two are different. So answer is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. So now here first term is what? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So now add these two. Add these two. So are these are equal? Sin x cos y, sin x cos y. Yes, both are same. Now what is the sign? This is plus and this is plus, means you have to add these two numbers. Suppose it is a and a, means what? It is same sign while adding a and a. So here a is same with a, right? So now next, can you add these two? Yes, because these are similar terms. Now next, addition or subtraction, how to see? That depends on sign. See here, the sign is plus, the sign is plus, means both are plus, means same sign. So if it is same sign, then addition of those two numbers. So a plus a is what? It comes as 2a and sign is plus. Now if you say this, sin x cos y, sin x cos y, same, and sign is same, that is plus. So addition, how much it is? Sin x cos y plus sin x cos y is 2 sin x cos y. Is it right? 2 sin x cos y. Now next here, plus cos x sin y minus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y, cos x sin y, same. But see the sign. Sign is different, means subtraction. Suppose it is plus a minus a. Same a and a like terms. So here different sign means subtraction. So a minus a is what the answer? 0. So here answer is 0. So that's why I am not writing, means it cancels. Clear? So while adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, we got is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, which is equal to 2 sin x cos y. But here it is, I need sin x and sin y, right? So how to get? So your equation is this one. So now this is your equation. Now substitution, some substitution here. Let x plus y is equal to some angle or some letter a. So I take x plus y, this x plus y as some letter, that is a. Now next I take x minus y as and x minus y as b, the letter b. Otherwise you can take x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to phi, or any letters you can take other than x and y. Clear? So I take x plus y is denoted by some other letter, that is a, and x minus y is denoted some other letter, it is b. So now I add these two letters, that is x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. So now I add these two. So x plus x is 2x plus y minus y is 0 is equal to a plus b. A plus b. So what is our x? X is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Just note it, okay. X is equal to a plus b divided by 2. So now I subtract these two equations. X minus, subtraction. So x is equal to this we got, right? So now I do subtraction. It is x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. So I do the subtraction. Subtraction means what? The changing sign of second equation, right? So now plus x changes as minus x, minus y changes as plus y, and plus b changes as minus b. So x minus x is cancelled, that is 0. Next, plus y is what? 2y is equal to a plus b, means a minus b, right? So what is your y? Y is equal to a minus b divided by 2. A minus b divided by 2. So just to note down, x is equal to a plus b by 2, y is equal to a minus b by 2, and x plus y is equal to a, and x minus y is equal to b. These 4 boxes are important. Now substitute those 4 boxes in this equation. So I'll take it as a star. Take it as a star. So from star, yes, what is that star? Star is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to 2 sin x into cos y. Now substitute those 4 boxes in this one. So it is sin x plus y. X plus y is replaced as a, plus sin x minus y is replaced as b. That is equal to 2 sin of x can be replaced as a plus b by 2. A plus b divided by 2, cos of y can be replaced as a minus b divided by 2. A minus b divided by 2, and hence it is proved. How it is proved? See here. Here it is sin x plus sin y. Right? Here the variables are x and y. The variables are x and y. Then here variable is x plus y by 2 and x minus y by 2. But what we got is variable, it is a and b. The format is the same, but the variable is changed. So our x and y are real values. So means it takes any real values, means a and x is equal to a and this y is equal to b, we can replace. Understood now? So hence this is the proof. Here we can write because x and y takes any real values. So and hence it is proved. Okay, hence proved. So now suppose the same formula, what is answer of sin theta plus sin phi? Yes, can you write like this? Yes, you can write. So theta and phi are real numbers, so that x and y can be replaced with some other real number theta and phi. Now sin theta plus sin phi, what is your formula? Formula is 2 sin theta plus phi divided by 2 into cos theta minus phi divided by 2. So this is also formula. Understood, no? So if you replace, instead of x plus y as a theta and x minus y as a phi, so your answer is what will get? Sin theta plus sin phi is equal to 2 sin theta plus phi divided by 2 cos theta minus phi divided by 2. Clear this? So this proof is important. This is not necessary, that just I show so how it is. Clear? Important for 2 marks. Now next we will discuss the proof of sin x minus sin y. So to get to this one, now next prove that sin x minus sin y. Previous question is sin x minus plus sin y, right? Now it is sin x minus sin y, which is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. So here it is sin and sin, means use the formula sin x plus y and sin x minus y. Sin x plus y, the formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So what we need is sin x minus. Sin x minus. So what to do these two equations? Addition or subtraction? It is subtraction. So now I will write here equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So here only I do the subtraction. So here while subtracting, the equation number 2 get changes its sign. So plus sin x minus y changes as minus, plus sin x cos y changes as minus, minus changes as plus, right? Second equation. Now sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. So how to write? Sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. So that is equal to plus sin x cos y minus sin x cos y. Same, sin x cos y, sin x cos y, but one is plus, one is minus, means it both cancels, means answer 0. That I am not writing. Now next, plus cos x sin y plus cos x sin y, cos x sin y, cos x sin y, and it is plus, means what is answer? 2 cos x sin y. So let it be equation number, that is the star. So now next, what is the method? Replace x plus y as some variable other than x and y. You can replace it by capital letter X and capital letter Y, because here the given are small letter x. Or you can replace x plus y as A, x minus y as B. Or you can replace, also you can replace as x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to phi. So now I am replacing here x plus y is equal to A, x minus y is equal to B. So what to do first? First add those two equations. So add those two equations and get x is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Next subtract those two equations. So we will get a is equal to, y is equal to a minus b divided by 2. Now replace those 4 boxes in equation star. 4 boxes in equation star. Yes, now replace it. So now we should get in this form. Okay, we don't get x and y, we will get a and b. Answer is in terms of a and b, but the format should be same. So now sin, what we replaced? X plus y a minus sin x minus y is replaced as b is equal to 2 cos x. X means what? A plus b divided by 2, and sin y means what? A minus b divided by 2. So we got the format. See, sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So here, since here theta, that is a and b takes any real value here. You should write this, okay? Any real values. So substitute x as a and y as b. So since a and b takes any real values, so it takes real values. So x takes as, therefore x takes as a and y takes as b. So this is your equation formula. It is important derivation for 2 marks. Next we will discuss next 2 more formulas. Which are those 2 more formulas? Cos x plus cos y and cos x minus cos y. Now next, prove that cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. In previous two proof, we used the formula sin x plus y and sin x minus y because you want to prove sin x sin y. But here it is cos x plus cos y. So here using which formula now? Using the formula using cos x plus y. Using cos x plus y. So what is the cos x plus y? Cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Right? Yes. Now next equation or next formula is cos x minus y. So which is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So take this as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So now what we did in previous two proof, we added. So because we want plus. So here also cos x plus cos y means I need plus. So add these two equations. So equation 1 plus equation number 2. So while adding, don't change the sign of second equation. So now cos x plus y, cos x minus y, both are different. So adding is cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, which is equal to cos x cos y plus cos x cos y. So it is equal to what? 2 cos x cos y minus sin x sin y plus sin x sin y. Same but different sign means cancels, answer is 0. Right? So let it be equation number star. This is equation star. Next, what we did in your previous, we added. That means we took let x plus y is equal to a. Right? Next we took as x minus y is equal to b. Let x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. What we did this, I added these two equations. Next I subtracted these two equations. So now I'll add those two equations, that is x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. So that is addition. So x plus x is 2x is equal to plus y minus y cancels, right? A plus b is a plus b. So by this x is equal to same as previous, a plus b divided by 2, this is box. So now next what I did, subtraction, x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. So subtraction means change the sign, minus plus minus, clear no? Minus plus minus. Now subtraction, what is answer here? Plus x minus x cancels, answer is 0, that I am not writing. Plus y is plus 2y is equal to a minus b. A minus b. So therefore y is equal to a minus b divided by 2. Y is equal to a minus b divided by 2. So I told you 4 box. So one box is this one, x plus y is equal to a. Second box is x minus y is equal to b. Third box is x is equal to, and fourth box is this one. Now substitute all those boxes in the star. So from star is equal to, from star. So what is that? Cos x plus y. So x plus y is what? A plus cos x minus y. X minus y is b. The next 2 cos x. X is what? A plus b divided by 2 cos y is what? A minus b divided by 2. hence proved, right? Why it is proved? Because just x and y that takes value as a and b, because x and y takes, not x and y, a and b takes any real values, so we can replace x as a and y as b, x as a and y as b. So this is important. Okay, so now next, last proof. What is the last proof? Cos x minus cos y. The formula is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2, right? So how to get those two equations? Take it as homework. Next proof, next question, yes, homework question that I'll write here. Homework, prove that, what to prove here? Last formula left is cos x minus cos y. So what is the formula? Minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. This is the formula, right? Yes. So prove this. To prove, yes. How to prove this one? So write equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here we added those two equations. There I need cos x minus cos y. Means subtract these two equations. Next let x plus y, x minus y. Add those two, get x is equal to. Subtract those two, get y is equal to. Then substitute those 4 boxes in star and we will get that proof in terms of a and b. So we can replace a and b as x and y because those two are real numbers. The next, prove that tan pi by 4, pi by 4 means how much? 45 degree plus x is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Important, this is formula important and proof is important for 2 marks. Now how to prove this? So now take LHS side, right? LHS side is what? Tan pi by 4 plus x. So while reading only you can understand which formula we can apply here. Yes, which formula we can apply? It is in the form of what? Tan x plus y, right? So now using the formula tan x plus y, you know this formula, right? What is your tan x plus y? It is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan x into tan y. So this is the formula. So it is replacement. What is the replacement? X as pi by 4, y as x. So put x is equal to pi by 4 and y is equal to x. Correct, no? The replacement pi by 4x, the formula is x plus y. Means x is pi by 4, y is x. So now therefore tan pi by 4 plus x is equal to, yes, now apply it. So tan x, so it is tan x, x is what? X is pi by 4 plus tan y, y is what? X divided by 1 minus tan x, x is pi by 4 into tan y, y is x. Now try to simplify this. This is equal to tan pi by 4 plus x is equal to pi by 4 plus x is equal to, you know the value of tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. So that is from your table, trigonometry table. So tan pi by 4, what is the answer? It is equal to 1 plus tan x as it is, divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, again it is 1 into tan x. 1 into tan x. So finally we can write this as equal to. So it is tan pi by 4 plus x is equal to, pi by 4 plus x is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus 1 into tan x. 1 into tan x is tan x. Is this proof? Yes, it is proof because tan pi by 4 plus x is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side, hence it is proved. Hence proved. Important for 2 marks. Formula important. What is tan pi by 4 plus x? Tan pi by 4 plus x is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Now next question. Prove that tan pi by 4 minus x, which is equal to 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. This is also formula. Yes, now how to simplify this? Using. So which using formula? Tan what? X, pi by 4 minus x means the formula is x minus y. Tan x minus y. That is what formula is? Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Right? So now substitute what is x. Put x is equal to pi by 4 and y is equal to x. So now LHS side is tan of pi by 4 minus x. So in the form of tan x minus y is tan x is pi by 4 minus tan y is x divided by 1 minus tan x. X is pi by 4 into tan y is tan x. So now next tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to, you know what is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan x divided by 1, sorry this is plus, no, the formula is plus, sorry, the formula tan x minus y, the formula is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus, not plus, not minus, 1 plus tan x tan y, right? So now tan pi by 4 minus tan x, 1 plus, okay, do the correction. First I wrote minus, now it is plus the formula. So 1 plus tan pi by 4. What is the value of tan pi by 4? 1. 1 into tan x is tan x. So which is equal to RHS side. So I showed pi by 4 plus x proof. Similarly pi by 4 minus x proof. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. LHS side is equal to RHS side, hence it is proved. Hence this is proved. So important formula and derivation also important. Yes. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.